Patrick with KY Gun Co. coming at you with our April giveaway. Reminder, we are giving away a new firearm every month for the year of 2023. No cost to you. Get online, enter below. There's multiple different ways you can enter below, multiple ways you can get extra chances to get your name in on the hat on this new firearm. And keep in mind, all the information that you guys give us stays with us. We don't sell, trade, or buy any email list out there. So your information stays with KY Gun Co. What we're giving away this month is the brand new Smith Wesson FPC Carbine. It's a 9mm foldable carbine. This is the hottest item that Smith Wesson has out as of right now. Super nice gun. On top of that, we topped it off with a Burris FastFire red dot. This is going to be a hard little package to beat. It's a hard little gun to get right now, but you can win this. As always, we appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you being customers. These giveaways are just for you guys, our customers, and our clients.